Welcome to Gardner White.
Thanks, Paul. Man, I'm pumped to be here.
Awesome. Let's dive in. We'll start with the white glove delivery service. This is the service where we take care of everything. We pick up the customer's new furniture, place it in their home exactly where they want it, assemble it based on factory specifications, and then leave with all the packaging and material. So the home is clean and tidy just the way we found it.
That sounds easy. Does the customer need to do anything to prep for the delivery?
All they need to do is make sure someone 18 or older is at the home at the time of delivery. And it's also key to prep the room before our drivers arrive. If there's anything fragile in the way, such as pictures hanging on the wall, the customer should remove those before arrival.
So when should a customer expect the delivery?
Customers get a text and email with a 3-hour window for the delivery. They can also use our Track Your Truck tool to get real-time updates on the progress of their delivery. This helps them plan their day and ensures that they know exactly when to expect us, so they don't have to wait around for their delivery.
How does a customer use this tracking tool?
Easy. Go to GardnerWhite.com. At the top of the screen in light gray, there's a truck icon that says Delivery. Enter your phone number or invoice number, and you'll see where your furniture is in real time throughout the day.
So let's go get to work and deliver some furniture.
Sounds good.